The fastest way to increase subscribers is to upload YouTube Shorts. And I have proof, but warning, it's really not as simple as that. There is a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. In this video, we will talk about 7 steps that are going to gain you subscribers. Do not skip the video to loose information and stick to the step 7, which helped me gain 1,000 subscribers in no time. For example, on a brand new channel that I started recently with 0 subscribers, I posted a YouTube short, and you can see here in the first 7 days, it got 170 views. So I decided to try this out again, and in the first 7 days of my second YouTube short, it got 8.5 thousand views. Better than previous, but I got an idea. I thought I could do better than this. So on my third YouTube short, I tried something completely different. And you can see on this short, I got 1 million views. And that short has brought over 9,400 subscribers. Now, if I just would have posted this kind of a short on my YouTube channel on day 1, you can see I would have hit 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. Now, on this channel, it actually took me 28 days to get my first 1,000 subscribers, but I believe I can help you get there even faster. People know that YouTube Shorts are getting pushed by the algorithm right now. And so if you're posting YouTube Shorts, the chances are you're probably getting a lot more views on your shorts than your regular videos, especially if you're just a beginner. However, what a lot of people don't know that shorts actually convert more subscribers than long form content does. And here's the proof. On this channel, I posted a regular video, and you can see that it took off and got a 5.9 million. And if we crossed over to the subscribers, we can see that it got 4,600 subscribers from those 5.9 million views. Now, on the YouTube short, we can see that it got a 70,900 views. And when it comes to subscribers, when it hit a million views, I got 1,300 new subscribers. That means that my shorts are getting 3 times as many subscribers as my regular videos. Let me explain why the first 2 shorts did not do as well as my third short. You see, on the first 2, I really didn't give it much thought. I actually used the clip method that you can do on your phone. And so I didn't even have to edit these shorts. I just pulled them from my long form content. I clipped it into a short. I tried to add some text and pick the best moment from that video, and they did pretty well, but they ended up tapering off and not performing that well over time. Now, on my third viral YouTube short, I decided to do something completely different. I decided that I was going to spend the extra time to make a YouTube short from scratch and upload it to YouTube. Now, I spent a lot more time on the script and the edits, so this is going to take a lot more time than just clipping something on your long form video. However, it ended up being totally worth it. So let me share exactly what I did and how you can do this too. The first step is alignment. You really want to make sure that the short you're going to make aligns with your channel's viewers. The reason for this is YouTube is actually going to recommend this short to the people who are already watching some of the videos on your channel. So you want those people to be interested in, because this is the first pool of people who YouTube actually sees if they like your video and if they should send it to more people. And since my channel is about basketball and the NBA, I made sure that my YouTube short was going to be about the NBA. Now, the second step you need to do is your research. You want to start looking around in your niche at different shorts that are going viral, that are getting a lot of views, and you want to start to study them. Once you find some of these popular shorts, you really want to write some stuff down, specifically writing down the themes of the edits or the pacing or the text, the music. How are they putting this all together? How long are these videos? And start to analyze the data for what's working in the niche. And I found that there was kind of a specific format that did really well within the basketball niche. And so I decided I was going to take that same format and apply it to the video I wanted to make. Step 3 is to come up with ideas. Just like a regular long form video, you really want to be thinking about, what do the viewers want to watch? And then from that, you can reverse engineer a video that would be interesting to a majority of the niche. Now, a major power tip here that is going to help you get a ton of views is to use trend surfing. This is when you utilize, usually in your title and in your video, the most influential keywords, names, brands into your video. Now, once you have your idea, step 4 is scripting. For the script, you really want to be as concise as possible and leave no fluff in this script. Shorts are very quick, and you want to make sure that you are getting to the point and getting to the next point as soon as possible. Now, if you have a really long script, or maybe you're wanting to take one of your long form videos and condense that into a short, what you can do is go to ChatGPT and take that long form script and then ask it to summarize and shorten that script. Then you can use that for your short. Step 5 is then to shoot your short. And honestly, for shorts, the gear really doesn't matter, but I like to think that audio matters more than video quality when it comes to the shorts feed. And if you can ideally, you'd move around and get different shots in different places throughout the video to kind of mix it up, which leads me to step 6, which is editing. Now, the goal here is you want to aim for a high average view duration, meaning when someone starts watching your video, let's say it's a 60-second short, which is the max duration you could do. You want them to watch all of it. Or maybe it's a shorter short and it's 10 seconds long. You want them to watch that over and over again and kind of spike that average view duration. Now, I have a method that I use that is going to help you guys as well. And this is called the loop method. Now, you've probably seen this before when you're watching a video and the ending actually synchronizes with the beginning. Now, if you're going to do this, you really need to start thinking back during the scripting phase, because the beginning of that script is going to have a sentence where the video starts off on the second half of that sentence and the video ends with the first half of that sentence. And that's how it's able to kind of mesh together perfectly. Now, as far as the length that I was shooting for was going for a longer short. Anywhere from 40 to 60 seconds is what I was aiming for, with really the goal of keeping them entertained for as long as possible. Now, when editing, if you feel like you're kind of stretching stuff out to make it longer just for the sake of making it longer, don't do this. It's better to actually keep it shorter. At the end of my video, it ended up being 45 seconds long, with the average view duration being 41 seconds. And in the analytics right here, you can see that at the 0 second mark, it's actually 186 people still watching. That means that there are people who watch the very end of it and then they watch the beginning again. And so that's why it's actually above 100%. Now that you have your short edited and you posted it on YouTube, here's the ultimate hack that a lot of people don't think of. And that is to post long form content. Let me explain. The YouTube algorithm right now really is trying to push shorts, and it's trying to find the right shorts for the right audience. If you watch a new creator, let's say, and you watch one video and maybe two videos, even if you don't subscribe, what you'll notice is you'll start to see that creator's shorts on your shorts feed. So what I've learned is that when people actually find your long form videos, your shorts are going to get boosted to those people who like your long form content. Now, in order to do this step, you need traffic coming into your long form content so that it can also spike your shorts views as well. And there's actually a formula to do this that we call the perfect video recipe. And this is the same exact formula that I use to get hundreds of thousands of views on a brand new channel and even 1 million views on one video.